This is a really interesting question. This question is based on a Friedel-Crafts reaction as well as carbocation rearrangement. Okay, so you can take this question and decide what would be answer. You can pause this video for some time. See, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is an electrophilic substitution reaction, means electrophiles are being substituted on a benzene ring. So generally, general reaction of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation is this. Let's say this is Cl and you are doing RCl in presence of anhydrous. I forgot to mention over here. This is anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3. What would be a product? So product is this, no? Product is Cl, and this is where the R is connected, and this is where the other R is connected. Right? This is major product, ortho substituted, and this is minor product. The reason over here is that R is acting as a electrophile over here. Right? Over here, what is a electrophile? Is okay. We'll go into the mechanism. Mechanism is this. Mechanism is this. I will change this. If this R was CH3, if this R was CH3, your product would have been this CH3 and CH3. So accordingly, I will do the mechanism for this. So mechanism is step 1, that is generation of an electrophile. So CH3Cl and AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. This is acting like a Lewis acid which accepts the electron pair. So this reaction, this bond will break, and over here you are going to get AlCl4 minus and CH3 plus. So this is the electrophile which is being formed. This is the electrophile which is being formed. See, I am not showing the mechanism for this reaction. I am showing general mechanism for other species. This was CH3. Step 2 is what? Step 2 is there any scope over here for the carbocation rearrangement? No, right? So this is the only carbocation. There is no adjacent carbon. Even if there was an adjacent carbon, we have to check whether it is primary changing to secondary or secondary changing to tertiary, right? So substitution of electrophile on haloarine, right? So this is our haloarine. I will show the major attack only, means the product which is directed towards a major product. So this is what the CH3 plus is. This is what the attack is. So on every carbon there is a hydrogen which we don't show. Now I will show on this carbon. This is a Cl. So here there is CH3. This is H which is there, and here there is a carbocation, also hydrogen is there. So to attain aromaticity, this hydrogen will be leaving and the electrons will be donated to this, and finally the product what would be getting is this Cl and CH3. Hope this is coming into the frame. I'll check. Yes, it is coming. So this is what the product is, right, for this reaction. Now we'll do it for the same reaction. This reaction, right? We'll do it for this. So this is CH3, CH2. So I'll write a mechanism over here. So mechanism for this reaction. Mechanism. Step 1 is generation of an electrophile. Generation of an electrophile. So over here, this is what the alkyl halide is: CH3, CH2, CH2Cl and AlCl3. The reaction between this will give you CH3, CH2, CH2 plus and AlCl4 minus. Now this is a carbocation which is formed it is primary, and due to hydride shift, what will happen? Now hydride shift will take place, because if hydrogen over here which is there, it will shift over here, then what will form is a secondary carbocation which is obviously more stable than this primary carbocation. So this is CH3, CH3 positive. So this is the product which was not possible in the previous case, in the case of the methyl chloride or methyl halide, and even in the case of ethyl halide it's not possible, because their primary carbocation is formed again after the hydride shift. Primary carbocation will be there, so hydride shift or the methyl shift is not going to take place over here. So here it is going to take place. So this is what my electrophile is. This is what the electrophile. So major product. Next is step 2. Step 2 is attack of the electrophile on the haloarine. So this is Cl, and this is the electrophile which I am having, right? Or substitution, see, electrophile will not attack. I made a wrong statement. This substitution, sorry, here I said that yes, there is a substitution, no? Hydrogen is being substituted, yes. Here also this is a substitution. So what is the product? Final product is this. Still I'll show that intermediate step. So there is a hydrogen, this is CH3, and this is CH3. Carbocation will be formed over here, and finally the product, major product, will be CH3, and Cl. So final product over here is this option C.